Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle, and the video that we're going to be doing today is going to be our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. So this is not the Boxylux, this is just the regular Boxycharm. It's $21 a month. So I'll go ahead and jump into it. So I just opened the box. I have not actually looked at none of the products or anything like that. It does have like a little pamphlet thing that tells me what I got. So I know what I've got, I just haven't looked at it. Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is going to be the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. This says it's gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. It says oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and to remove impurities. It says soap, fragrance, and SLS and SE or SLES free. All skin types are approved. So this is, the packaging is very, very pretty, to be honest. But Glam Glow has some really good skincare products. So it doesn't supposed to have any fragrance or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. This is $28, which is not bad for Glam Glow. They're usually a lot higher. So this is what it looks like when you open it. So to actually pull it out, the bottle is really cute. You do get 5 ounces with this, which is quite a bit. It says to apply to wet face and gently massage evenly into circular motions. Rinse well and pat dry. Use daily as desired. So I haven't heard anything about this, to be completely honest with you. I don't know how good this is going to work, but I will give it a try because I still do have makeup on. So I may try this out. If I do try this out tonight, I will go ahead and link it below as well, because it is $8.45 when I'm filming at night. So this right here is supposed to be really good. It does not have a smell to it that I can sense, or to what I can smell. So it's supposed to be for all. So it is. Okay. So this is good for all skin types. So it's supposed to be really good. I'm kind of curious about this because it says gently bubble. But I'm going to have to try this out for sure. So I will give this a try. It is $28. Of course, I've already said that. So the theme of this box, apparently, I did totally forget to tell you, is called Making Waves. Or Make Waves, I'm sorry. So it's called Make Waves. So I'm assuming, I really don't know. And yes, if you can see, I have 2 cats up here at the moment. One of them you cannot see. The other one that you just seen, he will be walking by occasionally because that's just what he does. And he's right here. You're going to have to move. Okay, so, so the next product that I'm pulling out so if you hear a dog chewing a bone and stuff like that, my dog Bella is right here in her bed chewing on her bone. It's the only way to keep her quiet. And this, and I guess he's just chilling, I really don't know. So the next thing I'm pulling out is going to be the Dose of Colors lip color. This is the Liquid Matte Lipstick. I have several of these. I have several lip glosses from them. They're actually really quite good. The liquid lipsticks are probably one of my favorite formulas beyond Anastasia. She's really my favorite. And so is Huda Beauty. She's really good. Sorry, my cat's tail was hitting me. Okay, so anyway, this is the color, what says right on it? A Bury Me. So it's like a purple. It says your new Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety Has a velvety, high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It does apply as a creamy liquid, but after a few moments, it does dry to an ultra comfortable matte finish. These are $18, and to me, they are well worth it. I love these. These are really good. Now, I don't have, do I have this? I don't think I have this color. I think I have more like nudes and peaches, you know, my colors. Ooh. Oh, ooh, yeah. It's very, very. This would, ooh. So this is what the color looks like. I don't want to swatch it. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I mean, I hate to swatch it if I'm going to get rid of it. It says berry. I don't think I have this color, which is so pretty. I don't know why this is so dark for. Oh well, I'll wear it anyway. I'll wear light colors, dark colors. It don't really matter at this point in time. I just wear whatever I want to. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow by Boxycharm London. I don't know if I have one of these or not. I have one. I don't remember what brand it's from that I did get in Boxycharm a while back. This is the, it says your new Boxycharm London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swapped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle. I have no idea why that tripped me up. Or applied over any shadow as a topper. This is $22. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Oh, this is purple too. Wait, what? What color is this? Oh, okay. This is in the color Cupid. I didn't expect everything to be purple, so that makes me wonder what else is in here that is purple. I have no issue with whatsoever. Oh wow, this is so pretty. I'm trying not to get too close to the camera. Okay. Oh yeah, that's real smart. So this is, okay, here we go. So this is what it looks like. I do have my ring light turned on, if you see it reflecting. I'm trying to get my hair on my face. So this is what it looks like right here. This is just one swap. I did not want to do a full swap, because I'm going to go wash this off in just a few moments anyway. So let's see if I can. Oh wow. Okay. So that wasn't like a full swatch or anything like that. As you can tell, my camera focus. I did just kind of like go like that with my finger. Sorry if I flipped y'all off. It did kind of go with a really sheer, very sheer sparkle to it, but it's really, really pretty. As you can tell, it's right there. I mean, it's really pretty, but it is really sheer if you don't do a full swap on it. And I'm not trying to flip y'all off, I promise. This is what, when I moved my hand across it, this is what came off of it. Yeah, it's just really, it's just really sparky. It's not even a flipping word. Okay, so it's just really sparkly and really pretty. I'm really excited to use that. And I did say the price of it, so let's get in here, because I did not open any of it, and the other ones was on top of it, so I have no clue. Well, I mean I do, but you know, haven't looked. Just can tell you what's on the paper. Okay, and here is the Elamar Cosmetics Color It Blush Trio. Okay, three. There's three of them. Sorry, I don't know why. It's been a long day. It's Tuesday, and I'm just all over the place. So this is what it looks like. I love Alamar. They're really good brand. The owner of it works for Boxycharm. I believe her name's Gabriella. I could be mistaken, but I know she goes by Gabby MUA. She is Kathleen Light's friend as well, and she does her makeup all the time, and she does such a wonderful job on her makeup. I mean, it's amazing, and I do have a couple of her other products that I've gotten in Boxycharm, and they're good. Like, if I get rid of makeup, I'm not getting rid of those products. They're really, really good. So anyway, I'll stop blabbing. This is in the color Fair Light. So I may not can get much use out of this since I am darker now, because I have been laying in the tan bed. I know you probably can't tell because I've got my ring light turned on, but I have been laying in the tan bed. I know that's a big no-no, but I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Don't worry, I know all the warnings and stuff like that. I very well know what I am exposing myself to, so I'm okay. So this is what it looks like. This is really, really pretty packaging. I mean, it's really unusual, and I like it. It feels, for her packaging, I've noticed it's very sturdy feeling, but it's not too heavy. So it's kind of like the right amount of sturdy to where if I feel like if I drop it, it's not going to bust. But if, you know, if I put it somewhere and it rolls or something, like when my animals jump up there, it's not going to fall off. Because I do have animals that like to jump on my stuff. As you well can tell, because I have a cat getting ready to jump up here in a few minutes. So enough with the blabbing. This is cruelty free as well. And I cannot open it. Nicholas! Oh, Nicholas. So this is what the outside of it looks like. I did have to get my son to open it for me. So as I open it, the blushes are so cute. Let me, sorry. Let me just show you like this. Let me try to cover the mirror as well. Can you see it? I can't see. Yeah. Okay. So this is what the okay. So this is what the blushes look like. They're really, really pretty. I'm trying my best to hold this. So this is what they look like. The first one, it's kind of orangey. It's called Castaway. Oh, you know what? We can just put it back. Duh. Okay, so this one is called, let me see here. This one's Castaway. This one is Parasol. I'm not sure how to say that because I probably just butchered it, but right there it is. And then this last one here is called Scorcher.
What is that? Eyeshadow palette?
No, it's a blush palette. So this is the
$22.
blushes that we got. They are $22. They are cruelty free because she does not test on animals, which is awesome. And I really have enjoyed the other products that I've received from her so far.
Oh, it's completely vegan.
It's completely vegan too. And I mean, if you look at the packaging, it's so super pretty. I mean, it really is. Like I said, this is a really great brand. I've not ordered anything off of her because I know I keep getting her products in Boxycharm. And from what I've had, I really enjoy. So I may have to. So I may actually have to go on there and actually order some stuff from her. If I'm not mistaken, she has Afterpay. Let's see, I think she... Okay, so I was correct. You can go on to Afterpay, which is it's an app that you can actually go on there and actually buy stuff. I'm actually going to do a video on this soon. Nicholas. Probably after I get done with this video, I'm going to go on there and tell you all about this. So I'm going to try to have this video up as soon as possible, and then I'll have the one up because I've been telling people all about this app, and I've gotten a lot of questions on it, so I will be making a video on it probably as soon as I get done with filming this. So just wait for that video, and it will tell you everything you need to know. But anyway, she does have that. That is, it says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Color Blush Trio. It says, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan-free formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. So that's really good, and I really need that. And I think, oh yeah, okay. I did get one more item. So this is the Mellow Brow Definer. It is in the color, let me see, maybe it's on here. So it's actually in the color chocolate. What? Okay. I don't know why they sent me chocolate. My hair color, as you can tell, is a dark, almost like a dark brown, but I've got highlights in it. Those are natural. Those are not fake, I promise. My eyebrows really, I don't think my eyebrows are that dark. I don't know if I can keep this or not. I don't know if it'll match. I probably need to open it and check just to be on the safe side. Anyway, let me go ahead and tell you all about this. So this is a brow definer. It says the non-greasy Easy Glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics brow definer. Is about to revolutionize your brow game. The triangular tip makes it easy for hair-like strokes, and the long-lasting formula ensures your brows won't move. This is also $18. Okay, so this is, oh, I wonder what this is. It has a spoolie. Yes. So let me go ahead and actually check, see what this looks like. Oh, ooh. Well, I didn't want to swatch too much of it because I don't like to do stuff like that, especially if I'm going to get rid of it. This is what it looks like, and this is in the color chocolate. I'll have to see. I'll have to do some more research. 18. Oh, it's valued at $108. That's not bad at all. I mean, considering you do get 4 brand names I know and trust. The Mellow, I don't know much about it. Honestly, I don't think I've ever heard much about the brand, if I have heard anything. So I may have to do some research on the brand, and especially that pencil, to see, if it's any good or not, or what kind of formula they have. And if anything else, I may order the correct color for my brows and give that one to a friend if I cannot make that one work for me. So yeah, that is the video for this month. I did have one for last month, but the footage got corrupted, and I have the stuff, but I don't have the little note thing that goes with it. And I just really didn't feel like refilming it, because this month is already half over with, and that was for last month anyway. So I'm sorry I missed a video, or a Boxycharm video for last month. I'm so sorry about that. I will start doing better, I promise. And something else as well. I have had a lot of family issues, not issues. I've had a lot of stuff going on in my family within the last couple of months. So that's the reason why I've not been posting a whole lot. But since that's got better, my work schedule did get almost changed. So we've had it's just been a crazy couple of months with the family things and then the work situation. I've had to adjust to everything that's going on right now. So I will be trying my best to start putting videos back up at least once a week, starting this week from on out. And this is the 14th of May that I'm filming. So you can expect a new video from me at least once a week from now on. Unless something happens, God willing, nothing happens, but you never know about life. So yeah, I will blah, 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 blah. So I will let you all go, and I do want to thank you very much for watching my video. And if you don't care, you can always subscribe and hit the bell for the notifications, because I know that some people are experiencing some where the notifications are not being sent out, even if you are ringing the bell. So you may want to keep an eye on that as well. But yeah, I do want to thank you all so much, and I will see you all later. I hope that you'll have a great week. Bye.